make safety real, and when you think about the fact that we asked our staff to think about their family member in that bed, when you make it that real to an individual and you picture your loved one in the bed, you're going to do everything that you can to prevent harm from happening. And we gave them the tools to do it. We did a 4-hour session for every single employee throughout the health system, and we've included our physicians in this education. It's a very interactive session. We tell lots of stories about real events at Holy Redeemer, because if people hear a story, they remember the event, they perhaps were involved in the situation, and it makes it stick. We have a technique that we call STAR. STAR says stop, think, act, and reflect. It is a very simple action whereby before you take an action that you can't take back, so give a patient a drug, make an incision, stick a needle into somebody. Before you take that action, stop for 1 second and think about what you're doing and make sure that it's the right patient, the right drug, the right time, the right reason. Does this all make sense to me? And if you get a red flag at any of those questions, stop what you're doing and don't proceed, because even one event of harm is too many. Think if it was your family member. Clearly it would not be satisfactory. At Holy Redeemer Health System, we do what's called a daily safety call. There's actually 3 calls that take place in each of our lines of business: home care, health care, and life care. These phone calls take 15 minutes of every day, and all the leaders participate. So there may be over 30 people on a call, and it creates a situational awareness of any safety events that may be risking our patients or our residents. Healthcare facilities face ongoing challenges, and priorities change all the time. Clearly there's financial priorities, there's always operational priorities. We believe that SafeCare is not a priority. We don't call it a priority, we call it a core value. And the reason why it's core is it can never be second to a financial priority. We can't ever lose sight of it. In the future, safe environments are going to be the only environments that survive.